Hailey, how are you? I hope everything is alright with you. How do you feel to be without your husband? Your husband sitting beside me now, and Cindy. Rika?
One. Hi, Hailey. I have you are with me, and he misses you terribly. And I hope he gets the Jesus soon, and you'll be together, happy together, for many, many years. Bye, darling.
Many, many, many years. So you know this picture? This is a picture of Rika and Leon, the third marriage anniversary, 36 years ago.
To play in the upcoming one-day series, but it may take some time for the feeling between the two teams to subside.
Boats in a Storm, my painting for Rika and Leon. Yeah, you know it. They still don't know which wall to put it on because all the walls are full of paintings.
The decision hits on potential financial disaster to Australia.
So this is a painting of my granddad Sabadan's cousin, Yaakov Gabay. And my painting will probably be here on the wall just beside it, on this wall.
You have a funny little husband, and I love him.
And Rika, she doesn't want me to take her picture, so you only have her voice here and there. I love you, my little snooky lambs. I'm sitting in the railway station, got a ticket for my destination. Now I'm walking in the railway station, still with a ticket to my destination. You can tell I'm a little early.
Travel whatever, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, it's nice.
I'm having a holiday here. I'm coming for 3 long. Let's have a word.
And yet, nobody thought him today.
All the best,
That's good enough, isn't
Yes, so now now I be walking home because the bus only starts in 40 minutes. Be walking. I got some walking to do. Be walking. And I hope you like walking too. And I'm home. Hope soon it'll be in DC.